What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we have our August Boxycharm unboxing. We have both the classic box and the premium box this month to unbox. I don't know how the heck it's already August. Like, summer is already almost over and I just don't know how that happened. But anyways, I'm super excited to dig into this month's boxes. I noticed when I got them that this month's boxes seem a lot heavier than usual, so I'm like, I'm ready to see what is inside. I also just did my base makeup, but hopefully we can try on some of the products in the boxes. Like, I purposely didn't really do anything on my eyes, no blush, highlight, anything like that, so hopefully we can try out some of the products today in the boxes. If you guys are new to my channel or new to my Boxycharm unboxings, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service where you get beauty products sent straight to your door. So the classic box is $25 per month. You get 5 full-size beauty items and $125 value. The premium box is $10 more per month, so $35 per month. You're guaranteed 6 to 7 full-size beauty products and $175 of value. So we are gonna see what is inside the boxes today, compare and contrast them. Are they worth it? And check that all out. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button to be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna get started with the classic box. Let's open her up and see what we got. All right, so it's looking like a at-home spa, like glamping sort of theme, which is really, really cute. I love that. And then on the back here, we have all the products, but I don't like to look at that. I like to be surprised, but we'll reference that to see how much the products are worth. So, ooh, okay, this is exciting right off the bat. Right on top, we have a Morphe eye brush set. So Morphe actually makes really nice brushes. So this looks like it's a 4-piece eye brush kit. So let's open it up and see. The brushes that I've tried from Morphe in the past, I've been very impressed with the quality of them for the price. So these are the 4 brushes that you get. This is actually perfect for doing like an eye look, the brushes that they chose, so I like that. You have like a big kind of fluffy guy, which is great for in the crease, a smaller fluffy guy that you can use for a little bit more detail work, a flat top shader, which is great for all over the lid, and then a liner brush, which you could use on your brows or as eyeliner. So this is a really nice little set, and the retail value of this is $12, and they're natural and synthetic eye brushes. So that's really, really nice. They feel nice and soft. So I like that. Ooh, I'm excited about this. This caught my eye. Okay, so this is the Glam Glow Moisturizer. I've never tried this. Glam Glow masks are really good. So I've never tried their moisturizer, but this is very exciting. It says it's an omega rich moisturizer, and it says it can be used morning or night. Glam Glow is a really nice skincare brand, so I have high hopes for this. Let's put a little on my hand and see. I've been liking the skincare I've been getting in my Boxycharm boxes because of course we all love makeup, but I like skincare as well. So I'm gonna put some on my hand. Ooh, this actually feels really moisturizing. Like, it's a thicker consistency and it doesn't really have a scent to it. So for sensitive skin, you should be good. Yeah, it's pretty much unscented, or maybe a very light scent, and that actually feels really, really creamy and nice. So I'm excited to actually use that on my face and see how it does on my skin. It feels really good. And the value on that is $54. Oh, and it's an anti-redness moisturizer. That's great because it does have that green undertone to it. Because you guys know, if you watch my videos, I definitely have a lot of redness in my skin. So that's really cool. I'm excited about that. All right, up next we have from Aesthetica, I believe is how you say the name. This is their Sunset Bronzer. Y'all know I like a little bronzy glow, so let's see what this looks like. Ooh, this is beautiful. It's a nice matte bronzer, so it's great for contouring. I'm gonna go in a little bit of a brush and just kind of add that to my cheeks. Looks nice. I did put on a little bit of bronzer before, but it wasn't matte. And I've tried other stuff from this brand actually from Boxycharm, and I've always enjoyed their products. So the price on this is $24. Then we have the Realher IAM Inspiring Definer Brow Pencil. I don't think I've ever heard of the brand before, but I can always use a brow pencil because I go through them like water. I don't know if it's just me or if everyone's like that, but I use brow pencils more than like any other product. I feel like I'm always repurchasing them. I go through them really fast. So this looks like it's dual-ended, so we have a little spoolie on one side and then a brow pencil on the other. It looks like a nice fine micro tip, which these are the type of brow pencils I love. I'll swatch it on my hand. That shade looks good, pretty close to the color I have going on. I did already fill my brows in, didn't realize I was getting a brow product. I'm sorry, or I wouldn't have done that, but I'll use a little bit. I could always use a little more defining. This shade is a little bit darker than the color that I have today, so it'll help to define them out. But I like this little tip. It looks nice and precise, which is how I like my brow pencils to be. And it looks like it'll be easy to use this on my brows. It seems really pigmented. Like, I can already see how it's helping to fill in my brows even more. So this is really, really nice. I like it. And the value on this is $16. And then last but not least, we have from Butter London, the Teddy Boy 9-piece eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I like Butter London's products. So let's see what we got in here. This is pretty. I like the packaging, nice and sleek. Oh, it looks nice. I like that. Let's do a couple swatches. And we can use this on our eyes. I'll probably wait till the end to use it. And we can use it with the Morphe brushes. I'll unbox the premium box first. But this looks nice. It's a lot of like cool tones, which is really pretty, a little different because you guys know a lot of times I use my warm tone neutrals. So it's always nice to have a cool tone neutral palette. So I like that. And again, like I said, towards the end of the video, we can do an eye look with it with the brushes that we got. So stay tuned for that. All right, now let's hop into the premium box and see what we have in here. Again, for an additional $10. Oh wait, I'm like already hopping into the premium box and we didn't add up the value of the regular. So let's do that first. How could I forget? So again, you're guaranteed $125 value. So let's see how much it was. We have $54 for the Glam Glow Moisturizer, $28 for the eyeshadow palette, $12 for the brush set, $24 for the bronzer, and then $16 for the brow pencil, for a total of $134. Again, for $25. So I like that. Now let's move on to Miss Premium over here and see what we have in here. I see something right on top that I'm really excited about. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have Fenty. See, this is what I really like about Boxycharm is I feel like you get a mix of like new brands that maybe you haven't heard of, but then you also get like favorite brands that you already know you love, like Miss Fenty, Miss Rihanna over here. So this is the Fairy Bomb Shimmer Powder. I don't think I've actually tried this. So I guess this is like a highlight. I got the shade Kappa Chill. Let's open her up. Or this actually might be for your body, I think, when Rihanna came out with these. But this is what it looks like. It's like a little version of her powder, basically. I think that's what these were meant for. Let me just take the seal off. I'll tap some in the top here. You guys can see, it looks really pretty. And I'll put some on my chest. Just gonna go in with like a flat top brush like this. Ooh! This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And it smells really good. You don't need a lot of this. A little bit is gonna go a long way. And it just like when the light hits it, it looks so pretty and shimmery. Don't mind my patchy self-tan on my chest. So it'll look prettier with a fresh self-tan. But it just gives you a really pretty, like healthy glow. And it's gonna make you smell really good, so I like that. And let me look up the price for that. Okay, so it looks like the price on this is $28. Up next, oh my gosh, wow. This is a very nice moisturizer, and this isn't cheap either. This is the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream from Sunday Riley. This is so, so nice. It's basically a moisturizer that also has vitamin C in it. Vitamin C is a product that I really like for my skin. It helps to fade like dark spots, and I've recently actually introduced it into my skin probably in like March. I've been using it as part of my skincare routine and really been liking it, and I've heard really good things about this moisturizer and this brand. This looks really, really creamy. Put a little on my hand so we can see. Ooh, oh my, this feels like butter, like literally like butter. I actually tried the vitamin C, the CEO. Ooh, it smells like orange too. I tried the serum that they have, not the moisturizer, and I really liked it, and this feels amazing, like very hydrating. So this is actually very exciting. Like my hand is glowing more than like anything else on my body right now. So this is really nice, and I'm pretty sure this is pricey, so I'm gonna look up price on that. Yeah, this is 65 bucks on Sephora's website, okay? So it's pricey, but obviously getting it in Boxycharm makes it a lot more affordable, so that's really, really exciting. I'm stoked about this, y'all. Okay, we have another Fenty product. Oh my god. If I would have seen this, dang. Okay, so this is the portable contour and concealer brush. So this is basically what you can use to apply the fairy dust powder. So I didn't see this or I would have used this, but this is super, super cute. Oh wow, I like this. It's more like denser brush and use them together. So this is really cute. And this is $24. Then we have a MAC lipstick in Spirit. I don't think I've ever seen Spirit, or at least I don't own it. So it says it's a satin. Y'all know I love MAC lipstick. So let's see. Ooh, it's like a nude. So I'll do a little on my hand. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a deeper, darker nude. So we'll use this with the eyeshadow that we do at the end. I'll use this as part of the look, but I like to kind of do the unboxing first, then you guys can see the unboxing, and then we can do the try on towards the end for people that are interested in that. So this is $19. Then we have this Dermelect, I think is how you say it. Dermelect XL Lash Volumizer. So it's like this little box. The packaging is cute. So I think this is just like a, so it says eyelash booster formula. So I don't know if this is a, oh, so it's like a serum kind of for your lashes. It's not a mascara. Oh, that's kind of cool. So do you put this on before mascara? Oh, it says excellent for eyebrows too. That's cool. So you can just put this right on your eyebrows. It says transforms lashes to appear longer, thicker, fuller, and stronger. So that's actually really, really cool. I'll put a little on my lashes right now. It's like a conditioning product basically for your lashes, which after wearing lash extensions for a long time, I need this. So they need all the conditioning that they can get. And it's not irritating my eyes at all, which is always my biggest concern with these, but it feels fine. So this is cool. I want to try this on my brows too and see if that helps them grow. I like it. And this is $49. And then last but not least, we have Ciate London, the Editor palette. Oh wow, 18-piece eyeshadow palette. Dang. All right, we got a lot of eyeshadows that we could use today to do our look. Ooh, cute packaging. I like that. Ooh, this is pretty. You have like different pops. Like you have colors in here, but then you also have neutrals, so you have a lot of options with this. So this is really, really nice. And you got 18 different shades in a big mirror, so can't complain about that. We'll do some swatches of some of the shimmers. Ooh, they look nice and pigmented. Let's do more matte. That looks nice. These look really, really pretty. So we'll try some from this palette as well when we do our eyes so we can try both. And this palette is $32. So let's add up the values. We have $32 for the palette, $19 for the MAC lipstick, $49 for the lash growth product, $24 for the Fenty brush, $65 for the Sunday Riley cream, and then $28 for the Fenty powder for a grand total of $217. So that's a lot, again, for $35 a month. So I will have a link down below in the description if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm as always. But now we're gonna go try some of these products. I want to use some of the eye products and stuff and see how they work. And we can test out using some of the Morphe brushes that we got from the Classic box. All right, so I'm gonna start with the Ciate London palette and go in with this nice neutral shade right here and use the more fluffy brush and just work that into my crease as a nice neutral transition. Having this big mirror on this palette is really, really nice. So you can really see what you're doing. Next, we're gonna go in with this deeper shade right here, and I'll use a little bit of the smaller fluffy brush and work that shade into the crease. This brush is actually really nice to do like crease work like this, because the more fluffy brushes kind of disperse it better everywhere, where you can do like color in your crease and upper crease area. But if you just want to keep a color in your crease, this is perfect for that. And these mattes seem to be blending nice together, which is good. Now I'm gonna jump in with this pretty gold. I'm gonna use a flat top brush for that. And I'm gonna work that out here on the outer corner. I feel like this shade might apply better with a finger like this. Yeah, I feel like shimmers are best applied most times with a finger. And they show up a little bit better. It's kind of doing that on that outer half. Just pressing it on there. Then I'm gonna go in with the other side of that shader brush and go in with this lighter shade right here and do that more towards the inner part. Yeah, see, this one isn't like a pressed glitter, it's more of a shimmer, so these shadows apply nicely with like flat top brushes like this. When you have like more pressed glitters, which is what the gold was, it adheres better to the eye if you just use your fingertip. I'm gonna put that on this part of the eye, just to keep the lid nice and bright. Now I'm gonna jump in to the other palette because I wanna try and use both of them, and we're gonna jump into this darkest shade down here and use the little eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna do my liner with this. I actually been loving using eyeshadow for liner, like a brown shadow, because I feel like it looks more natural than like going in with like a liquid eyeliner, but it still gives that nice like lifted kind of look to the eyes. This brush is nice too because it's a small, like precise one, so you can really get in and do the liner exactly where you want it to be, and it's not gonna like blow out and go everywhere. And then I'm gonna take the shade and go underneath my lower lash line as well and just connect everything. And then I'm gonna jump back in with that tinier fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna run that on my lower lashes with no extra products. I'm just going in with whatever's left on it and just running that over it, so everything looks nice and seamless and blended. Then I'm gonna jump in with this white shimmer, and I'm gonna use that as my highlight. So I'm gonna pop that in the inner corners and right beneath my brow bone. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go pop on lashes real quick, and then we'll be back to use the lipstick on our lips. Alrighty, eyes are all done, and I went ahead and aligned my lips. We can go in with the MAC lipstick. So again, the shade on this is Spirits. It looks really pretty, like a deeper nude. Ooh, I like this. And it's like cool toned too, which is a little different for me. This is really nice. especially too as we move into fall. Like I like a nude always, but a little bit of a deeper one for fall. So I really, really like this. That's really pretty. And I like Mac's satin formula, so I think it looks really nice. So yeah, that is everything, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's unboxing. Definitely let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. What did you guys get in your month's box? I would love to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.